Welcome to Life Hacks with me. I'm me. Hi, this is Vince from mymatevince.com. Now, you might get one of these Amazon Fire Sticks and plug it into your telly, but why do that when you can make it portable? And I'm the master of making things into portable things. So usually you would take this USB thing, micro USB, and you'd plug it into your TV. But what you can do is you can get one of these tiny cables. This is a 0.5 foot tiny cable, and you can just plug it in right there. So now that you got that plugged in, this is what it should look like. Next thing that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get a tiny LCD screen. Now this is mine. This has audio jack. That's what you're gonna want to look for, and HDMI. And you're gonna plug that HDMI into the thing in the HDMI. So now we got this plugged into this, and this plugged into that, and there's a USB cable going from that micro USB, normal USB, and they're going in opposite directions. I got this L bracket because I thought it'd be going in that direction, but you know, you can't always get what you want sometimes. So now we're gonna need something to plug these USBs into. So we got a USB hub, and the only reason why we got a USB hub is that we're gonna plug that into the power bank, and this is the power bank that we have, and it only has one USB. If you really want, you can use a USB like this. It has two USBs, because all you need is two USBs. This one is charging at the moment, so I'm not going to use this one because I'm filming this video right now, and so I need a USB hub that's fine. Alright, so now we got these two USBs plugged into the USB hub, and all you gotta do is just fold it over. Just fold it over like so. Great, that's great. And then you take your power bank, and then you just plug this into the power bank. Alright, so once you have that power bank plugged in, boom, it'll start working. You see that Fire Stick logo. You can use the remote just tape everything together, and it should just work. It'll just tape this to that, and then you can use the voice command features. Let me show you my own YouTube channel so you know what I'm talking about. There we go, just like that, and you can play all your favorite videos. Now you might notice that there's no audio, but you know what? It's portable, so it has a audio jack. Take that, Apple. Ha ha ha. And so you can plug in your headphones, and then you can watch all your favorite YouTube videos, like this one where I put a projector on a PlayStation and just call it a day. Fonzie!
Give me under to me on. It's affection, and I ever know that you're so cool. That the way that you turn me on is my little about the marathon. I said, Tu guarda under Salerco, apre che si riarco, Maria Cecilia Bogole, despacito. Abre ya su rico, e verá por la marcin lo pico, and I go to the pico, despacito, and I bet the lion in the scritto, and it don't make sense to be mito, get I am joining all the pito, despacito, I eat the cracker and it's prescrito, and I'm a galigo long a correpito, and I plug my tones onto the kilo. Despacito, I snort cocaine by the kilo, and it's filling up my nostrilito, and I lay in bed and think of why me. Oh, despacito, simple and go up. Here's a father, and he got ran over by an alpaca. It was a stampede, and he never understand what the father meant. But he showed up in the sky and he started to wonder, wondering why he was the chosen one to be. He is like Neo from the Matrix, and there is also Morpheus. He is also from the Matrix. Don't forget about the Matrix. It was one of the most influential movies of the 90s, and then it went on to make some sequels, and they were subpar and no one cared. I'm expert. Women of my size touch him.